Hi, it's PJ, and the purpose of this video is to go over some frequently asked questions that I hear a lot of times. I'm going to try and whip through these really quick. One of the first questions I get is, what are the benefits of the eye mask, the mask that goes over your eyes? There are a lot of benefits. There's just number one, the health of your eyes. You're just bringing a bunch of blood flow to the back of the eye where your optic nerve is. This is a very good thing. There's also good benefits to just helping regulate your circadian rhythm when you do the face mask, so that's always a good thing. Helps with fine lines and wrinkles. If you're in a part of the country where you don't get a lot of sunshine, it's incredible for helping with that seasonal affective disorder that we get when it's gray outside. The number one thing that I love about the face mask is that it just absolutely relaxes you. You cannot fight it. Within 2 or 3 minutes, it kind of shuts your brain down and you go into relaxation mode. So that's the eye mask. People always want to know what settings they should use. I do have a much longer video on all the settings and the frequencies. But truly, like when someone just gets started, I think it's just really important just to stick with the auto settings. If it's on the 6 port, there's a setting A, B, or C. Those are auto settings that compile different frequencies in those settings. Easy to just turn it on and lay back and enjoy it. And with the 2 port, if you just press on, you get an auto setting. I think that's what 99% of the people out there do, including myself. Next question, what pads go where? No matter what pads you ordered in your system, the bottom line is if you're treating any kind of pain, if anything hurts, you can put the pads where the pain is. That's just kind of a no-brainer. If you have more pads or if you want to do a second or third session, places that I really want to make sure you target besides the pain, you always want to target your gut. I think it's really healthy and important to put a pad over your gut every day. Also, up your spine is a great idea. Over your chest is a great idea. So you can move those pads around. Bottom line is, where do the pads go? Wherever you want to treat. What color pads do I use for what? That's a whole nother video as well. But just in a nutshell, blue is going to go about 1 millimeter. Green is going to go a couple millimeters. The red is getting a little further into the soft tissues. And then the near infrared is in each of those pads, and the near infrared is what's going deepest. So if you're treating a skin issue like psoriasis or a cut or burn, you're going to use blue or green. But if you're using, or if you're treating something that hurts or pain, or you're trying to heal it, you're going to use a red and near infrared pad. How often can I use the lights? That's really easy. You can actually do a light session every 4 to 5 hours. Most people do once a day, but if you're really trying to get on top of something, heal from a surgery, or heal a sprained ankle, for example, you could definitely fold in 2 or 3 times a day. And then what kind of conditions can you treat? Well, obviously pain, that's like the number one thing. But also if you have a light system, I don't think you should forget about your brain. If you've ever attended any of our webinars, we're big on brain health. So whatever pads you have, either wrap it around your head, or if you have a helmet, put it on your head. And also, like I said earlier, a pad over your gut, always a good idea just to help reduce the inflammation in your gut, and also up your spine. And the final frequently asked question that I hear is, how do I clean my pads? So this is what I use. It's called 7th generation. I get these at Target. You can get them on Amazon. I feel like they are the least of the toxic evils with wipes, and I really like these pads. They really do a good job, and I just really get in there and wipe the pads down. And at home, I probably clean my pads once a week. It is your DNA, so it's not really that necessary to clean your own pads at home, but I do use 7th generation. I hope that helps. I hope I answered all of your questions, and obviously if you have more, you know how to get a hold of me. Thanks.